Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Let's learn Georgia Ways by Rick Dominguez. Only 16 counts, high beginner, and 4 walls. Here's a preview of the steps. Top. 5, 6, with your left foot. Step, twist, twist, hitch, coaster, step, step, tap, step, triple step, turn, press, press, sailor step, and point, and heel, and heel, and. That's it. Let's break it down. First 8. Beginning with the left foot, a little going forward with a twist, heels, twist, twist, twist to the left, then twist back to center, hit your left, then left coaster step, forward, right, tap behind, left, step back on left, and do a half triple step turn over your right shoulder to your 6 o'clock wall. Triple step. Yes. And the counts are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. One more time with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Yes, second 8. We're going to do a press and a press. It's a bit like a rock recover, but you press into it. So I'm going to go with my left foot. I'm going to press forward, press, recover, quarter turn over my left shoulder, and do another press, but to the side this time with my left foot. So press, recover, then a left sailor step, behind side step, and with the right foot, left foot point, and right foot point, and left heel, and right heel, and. So the second set of 8 begins with the press with your left foot. So press forward, turn, side, left sailor, step, and left toe, left heel, right heel, and. Picking up your left foot so you can begin again with your left foot. The counts on the second 8 are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. One more time. Second set of 8. The presses. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So lots of ands. Let's put it all together from the top with words and then with counts. Left foot begins. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, twist, twist, hitch, coaster, step, step, tap, step, triple step, press, forward and side and sailor step, and point and heel and heel and. Good. With counts. From the top, left foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. That's it. Have fun. 4 walls. Thank you for joining me. Click subscribe. Thumbs up. Bye.